Taj Hotel bana tha 45 years ago, if I'm not right. If I'm right. And look at our neighboring countries. The neighboring country आप चले जाओ right में, एक शहर में 10 साल पहले 65 स्टार हो गया था, 60. And if you go to Dhaka, probably 25 now. Go to Sri Lanka, मैं Colombo से आया हूँ परसों. On one lake there were about 7. So I think Aleem is the first one who's taking a step. I don't know what's wrong with the rich people back home. Why don't they invest in Pakistan in these hotels? हम कहते तो हैं कि tourist बुलाओ. We do say, यार up north is beautiful. Karachi beach, like you said, 1,000-kilometer long beach. But उनको कितने के ticket को आलोगे बोले नहीं. Foreigner कितने ticket खा लेगा, आगे कितने कबाब खा लेगा. There got to be some coffee shops, infrastructure. You know, when foreigners can come and enjoy and relax, security, and that place is all about. And by the way, I've seen that place as well. ये मैंने 10 साल पहले भी जगह देखी थी. ये है, I think about 50 kilometers from Karachi, if I'm not, an hour drive on a good day. So yeah, it looks like one of the best, as good as any resort I've seen. Not just in
the next few years, आप बड़े proudly अपनी family के साथ अपना vacation कराची में plan करेंगे. मैं आपको ये भी बता दूँ with all lot of confidence that inshallah within this year we'll be launching resorts on the mountains as well.
Inshallah. You know, I was in Muzaffarabad last year. I was there for 4 days. काम था कि KPL का एक shoot भी थी. And it's a beautiful city. 2 rivers are meeting in the middle of the city. Beautiful water, scenery, but there was nothing to do. I wanted to find a gym. I was in a 5-star hotel. To take at least 2-3 cycles. And one number. That was a gym in PTC hotel. So infrastructure ठीक होगा, ऐसे resorts बनेंगे, तो foreigners भी, after tourism भी आएगा.
और आपने बात की इंशाल्लाह कि मैंने